This is a demo video of OpenTurnKey. In this video, we will show you how to make a payment with OpenTurnKey. Open the Crypto Economy app and go to the Pay page. Click on the QR code scanner icon to scan a Bitcoin address, entering the amount of the payment. Then click the Sign Payment button and it will automatically jump to the OpenTurnKey page. Pick up the OpenTurnKey. Authenticate OpenTurnKey with your fingerprint. Approach OpenTurnKey to the phone. The app will firstly checking if there is enough balance in this OpenTurnKey. This may take a few seconds. Then it will display a payment detail for the user to check and confirm. After confirmed the payment detail, approach OpenTurnKey again to the phone. The app will submit the transaction to OpenTurnKey, and OpenTurnKey will reply the signatures to the app. The app will broadcast the signed transaction to the Bitcoin network. This may take a few seconds. After the transaction is successfully broadcasted to the network, the app will display a transaction receipt with a summary of the payment. The transaction record will also be kept in the transaction history. Click on the transaction record in the history page. The user can check the detail of the transaction, including the confirmation numbers, transaction ID, and so on. Click the View Online button to check the transaction execution result in a Blockchain Explorer. Thank you for watching.